Hey everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hey Tylak, welcome. Tylak, welcome. Hey Lewis, welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. Had a great week last week. Equities are moving higher. We even saw moves in Forex. All right, so we have a lot of information to go over. I want to take a look at the Dow. So you guys should see my chart here. So this is on the daily time frame. All right, so we'll spend a little bit of time on the big picture. All right. So here was the price action last week. All right. Last week's price action. There's a previous week on the Dow weekly time frame. We're looking to break resistance. All right. And this is a big deal. All right. We've seen buyers come in on both the S&P and NASDAQ. We just need the buyers to really come in here on the Dow, break through resistance and give us a buy signal. All right, so that's all we're waiting for on the Dow. All right, on the Dow. On the S&P, we already have a buy signal, guys. So we've broken out of resistance. We have a buy signal right here on the S&P. All right, right here on the S&P. So that's great for stocks. And we also have a buy signal here on the NASDAQ right here. All right, great for stocks. Okay, again, you guys know previous buy signal was on 2020 on the NASDAQ and on the S&P. So this is a big deal. This is an absolute big deal here. All right, the dollar. All right, the dollar retraced a bit. All right, last week. All right. Now, we don't have sellers coming into the dollar. We do need sellers to come in. We do have purple support and resistance here. I know it's hard to see. All right. Purple support and resistance. And what we need is sellers to come back down to test support here on the dollar. All right. And that would be great for the Forex dollar pairs. All right. If you guys look right here, Monster Futures. Right here, Monster Futures. Hold on. Right here. This on the daily time frame. We are watching the dollar on the daily time frame. All right, the dollar held support. All right, and we'll go over some of the dollar pairs so that you guys see what's going on here. The dollar held on Friday. All right, Thursday held support right here. White candle. And then Friday was a big deal. We really needed, all right, a red candle. All right, so we got really good resistance here, really good resistance on the dollar, really good support, right? Hit resistance here, and now we're looking to come back down. All right, we do need the dollar to come down to have the equity markets move higher. All right, crude oil holding support right here, gold, right, holding resistance, trading right near resistance, right here, really good resistance here. And silver, right, it's holding right here, all right, in a downward trend line. All right, US 30, our US 30 traders, we should be in this long trade right here. All right, really good previous trade. All right, and here we are with a buy signal here on this trade here. So Monster US 30 traders should be in this trade. All right, so just hold on, nothing to do. All right, nothing to do. The futures market right now for the Dow is up. All right, for the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell is all up. The dollar's up currently, but again, we need that dollar to come down. All right, very good. All right, let's see here. Bitcoin, cryptos, we haven't spoken about Bitcoin in a while because there is nothing to talk about. All right, so let's take a quick look at what Bitcoin is doing. All right, and here's the chart right here on the daily time frame. We had a sell signal to get out of Bitcoin and cryptos in general. All right, back in, was that January, February, March, April, May? All right, May the 10th. All right, so we should be out. All right, sellers are coming in. Red candles, sellers are coming in. Bitcoin is trading right now at 20. What's that? 25,926. Our sell signal was at 26,000, almost 27,000. So we should be out. All red across the board. All right. So Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Bitcoin, they're all down. These are the majors. All right. So they're all down. So we should not be in any of those long. All right. So um, we'll see what happens. But guess what? Right now it's down. We have support. We have support at 20,000 right here, and then further support at about 15,000. All right. So just keep that in mind, but we should be out of Bitcoin. Okay. All right. Uh, if you guys have any questions for me, just put it in the chat, please. Okay. Let's go through the trades, current trades in Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. All right. On the 240-minute time frame. All right. So, um, Forex took a breather early last week, but really came back strong towards the end of the week. All right. So we've got some decent trades going here. All right. The yen pairs really got going, give us some buy signals. Okay. So CAD yen, buy signal here, red candle. All right. We should be out of that, right? Out of that. So we'll go ahead and close that. Okay. So CAD yen, be out of that trade. CAD yen, close that trade. If we get now we got a red candle here, green candles. I would say if it breaks resistance right here, we could get back into it. But right now we'll get out of it. Okay. Aussie yen is holding nicely. Buy signal here. Let me open it for you guys. Buy signal here. Nice price action. All right. Moving higher in the markup phase. All right. Nothing to do. Pound yen. Pound yen is holding right here. Euro yen. Buy signal is here. Holding support currently. ZAR yen. Buy signal is here and holding nicely in the markup phase. Nothing to do. SGD JPY, that's your Singapore dollar. Red candle here, so we should be out of that trade. Out of that trade here. And I would say if it breaks resistance here, you can get back in. All right. So right now we're gonna close that trade. New Zealand yen is holding right here. Swiss yen is holding right here. Keep an eye on this. White candles here. Keep an eye on it. New Zealand Swiss. That was a new one. Buy signal here. Holding. New Zealand dollar. Same thing. These are new trades. Buy signal here. Holding. Aussie dollar. Buy signal is here. Nicely in the markup phase. All right. Aussie CAD. All right. Aussie CAD. Buy signal is here. Held support. Holding nicely. Euro dollar. Right. Euro dollar. We got out and we back in looking for it to break resistance. Okay. The short positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through those. And we will shorten the dollar, and we do need that dollar index to continue to move lower. Okay. All right. So short positions in Monster Scalper. USD PLN. Hold on. All right. Right here. Good short going here, guys. All right. So sell short signal is here. All right. So sell short signal held and all the way down here. So nothing to do. USD CHF sell short signal is here. Retraced a bit. All right. All red candles. We need sellers to continue to move that price lower. USD DKK sell short signal is here. Retraced. We need sellers to come back in. So we really need that dollar index, guys, to come back down. Okay. All right. So good support here. So we need to break that support. USD NOK, that's trading nicely. Sell short signal is here, all the way down here. All right, so that's a good trade going. Dollar ZAR, really good trade going with dollar ZAR. Okay, sell short signal is here. That's moving down nicely. Okay, pound ZAR, another good short with pound ZAR. You guys know the ZAR pairs have been trading well short. Sell short signal is here. All red candles, nothing to do. Nice markdown phase. You guys can see that there. Euro ZAR, not a great ZAR short, right? Sell short signal all the way up here, right? All red candles, nothing to do. A great trade going here. EUR PLN, Euro PLN, sell short signal here on a great. We got this trade on Friday, I believe, right? Friday, sell short signal is here. All right, great short going here. And New Zealand, Euro New Zealand, sell short signal here. Still a new trade, still working. Okay, but we knew it had a bit of a pullback here, bit of a pullback. All right, so we needed to just hold, stay below support here. All right, so those are the shorts in Monster Scalper. We send out all the signals on Friday, so we don't have any signals, right? New signals yet this evening. We didn't see any come out this evening. So we won't go over any new trades, okay? Let's take a look here. Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. So let's look at those trades. Most of the trades have been holding well in Forex Dominator, guys. All right. On the daily time frame. All right. So USD CNH holding a nice long trade here, guys. Look at this. Buy signal here. All right. Buy signal here. Nice trade going again on the daily time frame. USD CZK. Buy signal is here. That's holding, looking to test resistance. USD DKK. Held support, that's holding. USD SEK, buy signal is here, that's holding. Crazy moves here, but hey, still holding. USD SGD, white candles holding support. Keep an eye on this one, okay? Again, we need, now keep in mind, right? We're shorting the dollar pairs, right? So it's a unique situation, right? We're shorting dollar pairs in Monster Scalper, but we are long. Right, we are currently long in Forex Dominator. We've been long here for a while. So if you guys get any red candles, we want to close those dollar trades in Forex Dominator. So if you're trading the dollar pairs in Forex Dominator, really pay attention. Okay, if they're holding their support and giving red candles, we want to get out. All right, you might even want to get out on white candles if they're breaking support. Aussie yen buy signal is here. That's holding nicely. And the yen pairs are both long in Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. That's what we want. All right. All right. CAD yen buy signal is here, holding nicely. Swiss yen buy signal is here, trading nicely there. Euro yen. All right. Buy signal. Nice trade going there with Euro yen. Okay. Pound yen, really good trade going with pound yen, guys. Okay. Now, we talked about pound yen big picture. Okay. Last week. This is the daily time frame here, pound yen. But here it is also on the weekly time frame, guys. So we broke a big resistance, pound yen weekly time frame. We know pound yen will move or can move. Previous buy signal was here. All right, buy signal was here. All red candles here, red candles. All right, so we got out, but guess what? We could get back in here on a break of this resistance on the weekly time frame. Now, I know we're not trading on the weekly time frame, but this price action is this price action here on pound yen. So pound yen is making a really big move, guys. Really, really big move. Weekly time frame, look at that. Nice price action breaking out of that resistance there. All right. And so we've been watching pound yen, tracking pound yen. So no surprise by this trade here. Okay. HKD JPY, Hong Kong yen right here, holding. All right, SGD, JPY. All right, buy signal is here holding. So most of the pairs, all right, in Forex Dominator long trades are holding. Okay. Aussie New Zealand. This was a new one here. Buy signal is here. That's trading nicely. A break above resistance here. We could see that pair move higher. Pound Swiss, a new one here. Just waiting for it to break out. Pound SGD. Buy signal is right here. And this one here, slowly, guys, slowly moving higher. Okay. Not a lot of crazy movements, just nice, smooth price action. Okay. Aussie Swiss, that's a new one here. Buy signal, good markdown phase. Look at this, guys. Really good markdown phase. All right. Buyers came in, buy signal here, and that's moving higher. Okay. So those are the longs, nothing to change, right? In the long positions here. Okay. All right. So these are the shorts. Let's go over the shorts. All right. So Aussie CAD short. Keep an eye on Aussie CAD. As a matter of fact, we'll close this trade. All right. Sell short signal was here. Green candles here. It's still a profitable trade. All right. But green candles, so we know buyers are coming in. We'll get a sell signal. All right. But we don't want this trade to get away from us. Okay. So let's go ahead and close it. So if anyone is in Aussie CAD short, all right, Forex Dominator, again, you guys can see here, here's the sell short signal right here, green candle here, all right, on Friday, all right, another green candle here. So let's go ahead and close this trade, all right? Otherwise, buyers going to really come in and do something like this, and all of a sudden, we're stuck in the trade, okay? So Aussie CAD, if you're in it, close that trade short, all right, in Forex Dominator. USD MXN, that's your Mexican peso. Sell short signal is here. That's trading nicely. EUR HUF, sell short signal is here, just holding. All right. Euro Swiss, good short going here. All right, all the way down here. Euro Pound, sell short signal is here. All red candles in the markdown phase, nothing to do. Euro Dollar, all right. We had a white candle come in, but guess what? We got sellers coming back in. So nothing to do there. EUR HKD, same thing. Euro CAD. Sell short signal is here, nicely moving in the markdown phase. There, guys. New Zealand dollar. Keep an eye on New Zealand dollar. All right. Keep an eye on New Zealand dollar. We need, like I said, that dollar pair to come down, right? New Zealand dollar. So that's moving higher here. So keep an eye on that. New Zealand CAD holding the short position nicely there. And Euro Aussie, good short going here. That's a fairly new short in Forex Dominator. Okay. Sell short signal is here. And so far this evening, the trades from last week, they're holding, right? Most of the trades are holding. And for, you know, we have a lot of trades in Forex, right? Both, we had fewer trades in Monster Scalper. Forex Dominator has been solid, but Friday we added quite a bit. Okay. We talked about US 30. So keep an eye overnight, our US 30 traders. All right. Keep an eye on that. Not a major concern. Futures are up, Dow futures are up, but just keep an eye on that. We do have resistance right here. So right here we have resistance. So just keep an eye on that. Let's go over equities. All right. We know right now equities are giving us a lot of trading opportunities in equities. Okay. So let's start with Stock Boss. And we have a lot of trades in Stock Boss. So let's go through the current trades in Stock Boss. All right. All right. AUR, nice move here going, guys. Buy signal was here. We have a lot of symbols, so we can't analyze every symbol. So what we're gonna do is we'll go through these. All we're looking for um, are the last time we looked at equities was Thursday of last week. So we're gonna go through these, and what we're looking for are trades that we need to remove. Okay, so if we have a white candle, we need to pay attention to that trade. If we have a red candle, we need to exit. Or if we get a white sell signal by the system similar to this, we need to close the trade. So as I go through this, all right, we need to pay attention to this side of the chart so we can see what the current price action is doing. Okay, so we'll go through this quickly. Our stock boss traders, all right, and even our bull master traders, this is what you guys want to go through. Okay, so let's go through each of these. And if you notice, if you look over here, you guys will notice that what we want to see is all green. We want to see all green and price moving higher. All right. And with the markets moving, that's really what we want to see right now. Okay. All right. Nothing to change. A lot of stocks. Nothing to change. So we're looking for white candles, which is a warning. Red candles, right? Or sell signals to close the trade. All right, so GLYC, white candles here, purple support and resistance. All right, we need buyers to come back in, guys. All right, so keep an eye on this one right here. If you're in it, GLYC, keep an eye on it. All right, all green candles in the markup phase is what we need to see here. That DHC, YMAB, white candles there. Keep an eye on it. Okay. We need green candles. AMRS, look at that. Nice one here. Going TWKS, white candles there. Purple support and resistance, guys. Keep an eye on it, okay? If you're in it. Looking for white candles, red candles, or sell signals by the system. All green candles. That's good. Okay. Which one? PMVP, white candles here, guys. Sell short signal, good markdown phase. Look at this, really good markdown phase. Buy signal is here, retrace, white candles. Keep an eye on this one. Okay, we need green candles, buyers to come back in. All right, nothing to do yet. Just hold on, an eye on it. All right, live LIFE. Close that trade, guys. All right. So great example here. Buy signal was here. Buy signal was here at 2:30, 32. Sell signal, red candle. Sell signal, white arrow here by the system at 2:21. So close that trade. All right, close that trade because guess what? This is what could happen. All right, so we want to take that loss, quick loss, small loss, get out. All right, life, LIFE, we should be out of that. So let me remove that. All right, okay, let's keep going. All right, good trade going there. ALLK, all right, white candles, keep an eye on it. All right, keep an eye on those. Green candles, nothing to do. All right, MKFG, white candle there, keep an eye on it. All green candles there, all green candles, nothing to all green candles straight up. Good, what we want to see. What's that? ADMA, white candle right here, guys. Breaking support, white candle, keep an eye on it. We need buyers to come back in tomorrow, all right, and continue to hold, at least hold it. We don't need any red candles. Same thing here, PRCH, all right, white candles. Keep an eye on it if you're in it. All green candles, green. Nothing to do here with this. All right. And we've got great trades going. All right. Great trades going, guys. Let's see here. SANA, white candle here. Keep an eye on it. All right. All good. All right. White candle here. LYEL. All right. White candle here. Keep an eye on it. Okay. And I think that's all we've got for stock boss. Let's take a look at Bull Master. Okay. Same process. All right. You guys know with stock boss, you can trade several stocks. And, once a day after the market close, just go through each one, just like we're doing now. Okay. All right. All right. So these are Bull Master stocks. So these stocks are over $10. All right. Same thing. White candles, red candles. All right. Look at this. Nice markdown phase. MTCH. Good markdown phase, guys. Look at that. Really good markdown phase. Fell from 180 to 41. Buy signal came in at 38. It's at 41. Nothing to do there. All right. So we need these stocks to hold similar to this. All right. All green candles here. Nothing to do. All right. Hold on. All right. Adobe. Look at Adobe breaking out. All right. Nothing to do there. All green candles. Tesla breaking out. Look at Tesla right here. All right. Buy signal was at 204. It's at 244. Good one, guys. Good one for options. Okay. Too late to get in. Too late to get in now, but this was a good one. All right. Green candles. We just want to see green candles. This one here, HCP, guys, on Friday, gap down, right? Gap down. Nothing we can do about this, right? Gap down, give a red candle. All right. Red candle sell signal by the system. So we need to close that trade, get out. So if you're in it, first thing tomorrow, close that trade. HCP, close that trade. All right. All green candles in the markup phase. SWTX, keep an eye on this one, guys. White candles here. All right. White candles, fairly good, fairly decent markdown phase. All right. But we got white candles here. Just keep an eye on it. Okay. We could still have buyers come in. Okay. That's fine. Most of these are holding. So the market was the Dow was up only 43 points, but that's good. Most of these are good, guys. Hold in. That's what we like to see. CRSP white candle. Keep an eye on this one there. Okay. Most of these are holding. And moving higher. All right. ZNT, what's that? ZNTL, red candle here, guys. All right. So, all right, if anyone is in this, buy signal came in at 20. Red candle closed on Friday, right at support here. Support line right here at 23. Okay. So If anyone is in it, close it first thing. All right, first thing tomorrow. All right, ZNTL, red candle right here. All right, this could happen. All right, you guys know sellers could come in. So red candle. All right, we know sellers are coming in. Close that trade. Close that trade. ZNTL. All right. SMTC. All right, buy signal was here, right? Gap down, right? White candle right at support. All right, so we need, hopefully, we have an update tomorrow. We could see buyers come back in. All right, you get a red candle, close that trade. We don't take it personal. All right, Kavana, look at Kavana. All right, moving up nicely. Yeah. All right, and that's it for Bullmaster. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go over the picks, new picks for both Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Before we do that, I want to show you guys. Well, let's take a quick look at futures before I forget the futures market. All right, so Monster Futures, our futures, Monster Futures traders. Okay, you guys know we're in US 30, right? US 30 right here. Okay. But also there's the trades that we're in, and I sometimes I forget about these trades here. So we have long trades, all right, in the futures market. Okay, so that live cattle trade is still holding well. All right. So buy signal was here. Nice move going in live cattle. Okay, so that hasn't changed. And then we have the S&P. Okay, so the S&P long trade in the futures market, buy signal was here. All right, and moving up nicely in the markup phase. All right, the next trade, long trade we've got going is that oats. We had a new trade we sent out, I believe it was Friday, for oats. All right, OATS, oats. All right, in the futures market. So our futures traders, our monster futures traders, that's a new trade we sent out. Okay, on Friday. All right, oats. All right, our shorts that we've got going right now, and then I'll show you guys what's developing in the futures market. The short we've got going right now in Monster Futures is this one right here, corn. All right, there's a decent trade going here with corn. The sell short signal was here. All right, and here we are right here. All right, it's a decent trade, not a great trade, a decent trade, short. Okay, but this is what's setting up. There was a trade in for the VIX. The VIX is right here. Right, here is the VIX right here at 1383. So that's good, right? That's really good for the VIX. Clearly under 20. All right, it's continuing to move lower. But in the futures market, there is a short VIX. All right, short VIX, but that trade is gone. Sell short signal is here. It's all the way down there. All right. And it's slowing a bit. The short is slowing a bit. But I wanted to show you guys, especially our futures traders. All right. The soybean. Keep an eye on soybean. Now we don't have a buy signal yet. All right. But we've seen some soybeans come in. All right. And the price action looks decent. Okay, for soybean. All right. So and the last soybean trade was okay. All right. So good markdown phase here for soybean. Good markdown phase. All right. Buyers are coming in here. All right. Buyers are coming in here. So we're just waiting for a buy signal here on soybean. Okay. So our monster futures traders, just keep that in mind. All right. Soybean long, and we have a lot of them here. A lot of soybean here, with heat seeker. All right, long. Okay, so just keep that in mind. We don't have buy signals yet. Okay, we don't have buy signals yet, but um, we'll get that out when we do. Okay, that's setting up. So we should get buy signals soon on that. All right. Okay. Let's look for. We're looking for new opportunities in stock boss. Okay. Again, we send out all the picks for Forex on Thursday, Friday. So we'll just go over equities this evening. Okay. All right. We're looking for new buy signals. Let's run this again. So we've got 109 symbols here in Stock Boss, and that's quite a bit. Okay. So we're looking for new buy signals on the day. So new buy signals that came in on Friday. We're looking to really add to our positions. Most of these stocks, you'll notice that we're in these already. All right, but you never know, we can find some new opportunities. AMRS in Stock Boss. AMRS. We're in this already. All right. All right. Let's keep going here. We'll go through these. Try to go through these as soon as possible, as quick as possible. We've got about 20 minutes. Okay. All right. APRN, guys. APRN in Stock Boss. All right. So write that one down. APRN. All right. Good markdown phase fell from $90. $90. Okay. Nice markdown phase. Good support right here at $5. All right. Fell from 90, guys, all the way to $5, 581. Big candle came in. We love these when big candles like this comes in, right? So that means big buyers, big institutions are buying. All right. Buy signal right here at 895. Right. So good trade here going, and that is in Stock Boss. All right. We're in this one. ARQQ. Yes. All right. Here's another one here. Nice markdown phase. BARK in Stock Boss. Let's make sure we're not in it. All right. We're not in it. All right. Fell from $12. Look at this. Good risk reward. Fell $12 to $1.37. Buy signal came in on Friday, guys, right here. Big candle. All right. So BARK in Stock Boss. All right. So two really good opportunities so far. Okay, let's keep going. You buy signals on the day. We're looking for almost perfect signals, guys. Nice markdown phase with a buy signal right on Friday. Stock boss traders, it's what you guys want to do once a day. Once a day. sometimes twice a day. All right. Look at MVRS, guys. That's really been a great trade for us. Okay. Bought at 278, trading at 670. Great trade going there. All right. This looks like a buy signal. Good markdown phase. Fell from what, 18? Buy signal trading at 667. NMRK. NMRK buy signal. Good buy signal came in on Friday. All right. Nice markdown phase. Okay. And that's in Stock Boss. Okay, let's keep going. Note NOTE, decent markdown phase. Buy signal came in on Friday. All right, fell from about 12. Buy signal 281. Note NOTE, and that's in Stock Boss. All right. All right, SOND, another good one, guys. Fell from $10. All right, $10. Got really good support around 45 cents. Okay, buy signal came in at 77 cents. So this area here, 48 cents, good area, right? For good protection here. All right, broke resistance, 77 cents. All right. Again, fell from what? What's that? Fell from $10 and change. Okay, so we'll add that in Stock Boss. SOND. All right, in Stock Boss. Looking for buy signals that came in on Friday. TMC. Let's look at the good markdown phase. Fell from about 13, 14. All right. Support is at 70 cents. A buy signal came in at about 91 cents, retraced at 80, 88. Let's take a look at it again. We need to clear about I would say 120 to really get going, but we'll add it. TMC. And that's an inexpensive stock there, guys. All right. And again, we have protection. If you're going to put a stop loss, right? If you're going to put a stop loss, all right, you could put it right below, a little below 70 cents. So perhaps 65, 68 cents or so. Okay. All right. If you're using the system, just wait for the system to give you red candle sell signal. Okay. Almost done with Stock Boss. All right, that's it for Stock Boss. And let's take a look at Bullmaster, and then we'll be done for the evening. And it's good to see currently market is holding in the futures. All right, so let's run a fresh scan here. All right. Oh my goodness. So there's 200, guys, 201 symbols in Bullmaster. So we'll go through this quickly. We're just looking for a buy signal. All right, well, let's bring this up here. A buy signal on Friday. That's all we're looking for. A buy signal on Friday. All right, so we don't want to get in too late, right? So we want to get in early when those buy signals come in. Okay, so let's go through these. Bullmaster stocks that are large cap stocks over $10. Buy signal on Friday. We need a nice markdown phase. We don't have that here, guys. A lot of consolidation. Look at that. A lot of noise. We can't do anything there. So let's keep going. All right. Good buy signal on Friday. Very choppy, guys. Very, very choppy. All right. We have better opportunities, better trades. Okay. We'll start taking these trades here, right? This is like a reaccumulation trade. So we'll start taking these trades here. If you guys look here, that's the trend line here. So this is the trend line here. All right, we've got resistance right here. All right, we've got the resistance right about here. All right, so we're breaking resistance, reaccumulation. As the markets develop and they start to trend, I know this is a new breakout in the equity markets, but these trades will do really, really great. So we'll start taking these. All right, so ATI. All right, ATI. It's a little different trade. We're not buying it in the markdown phase, right? So we're continuing the move, right? Nice trade here. So we're continuing that move in Bullmaster. And eventually, a lot of the trades we'll get will look like that if the market continues to move higher, okay? And that was a buy signal on Friday. All right, BXP. All right, BXP buy signal came in on what was that Wednesday. All right, but is showing up now. All right, good markdown phase. All right, good markdown phase. Look at that. All right, buy signal right here. All right, so we'll take that. BXP guys, BXP in Bullmaster. Okay, let's keep going. This is the reaccumulation trade here. Let me show you guys. Hold on. Where is it? Hold on. Yeah, right here. That's a good reaccumulation phase. Okay. Now we have to be careful. We just need the market, the overall broad market to hold. But previous trade here, all right, got out, still nice upward trend, broke resistance, buy signal here, new buyers coming in. These trades work out really, really well when the markets are doing well. Okay. And especially with these more expensive stocks, these large cap stocks, big traders, right? They really like buying in this reaccumulation phase, continuing the trend. Okay. We can buy coming off the markdown phase, all right, accumulation, markup, but then we can also buy again a reaccumulation phase. And for new buy signals on the day, on Friday. KW, we're in this one. Okay. Nothing here, guys. Look at this. Very choppy. Look at this. Nothing here. A buy signal on this one here. All right. We'll add this. All right. We've got a decent markdown phase here. All right. This is for if you guys wanted to do some quick calls, right? Call options. All right. We've got to get past about 47. All right. So we have pretty good resistance. So sellers are sitting here, sitting here, sitting here, sitting here, sitting here. All right. Price is right here. We have a buy signal at 43. That buy signal came in on Friday. All right. But we just have to get past, if we can get past 47, all right, we could get to about 60. So that's a decent trade. All right. Again, for options, a quick option trade. So we'll not a great setup, but we'll add that one. MCB. All right, we're in MCB. Well, look at this one here. All right. We just need a good markdown phase. Let's see here. A good buy signal, guys. Very choppy in here. You know, it's very choppy. Good buy signal though. Really big candle, broke resistance right here. Buy signal came in right here. Another great chart. We're in Mitch. Almost done. Right. We got a buy signal on Friday, but look at the chart, guys. Look at the chart. Not very good. If there's nothing there, don't trade them. SLG, we're in this one. TWS, we're in this one. Let's make sure. TWS, hold on. TWST, yes, we're in TWST. All right. If you guys are looking for a trade in Bullmaster, all right, TWST still looks good. All right, buy signal is here, and it's relatively inexpensive. Just now breaking out. So good price action. Look here. Higher highs, higher lows, breaking out resistance here. Okay. TWST. There's so many stocks. What's that? URI. URI. Let's take a look here. All right. We're not in this one here, guys. Look at this one here. All right. These can be good too. All right. Buy signal is a previous great trade, markdown phase. I know it's not down at the bottom here, but that looks pretty good. Sell, right? Markdown phase. Buyers are coming in. We'll add this one here. It is expensive, $389, but good for options. Okay. So that's URI. Call options. All right. What's that? Why? I think this is the last trade, and hopefully, let's see here. Why? Yeah, we're not in this one here. Okay. So look here. This will be the last. I think this is the last one here. YPH, Zion, nothing here. Nothing here. Okay. So this will be the last trade here, guys. Right, in Bullmaster. Look at how, and it's relatively inexpensive. Okay. So previous buy signal was here, right? 2022, 2022 at 403, right here, 403, sold here at 683, bought here 858, sold here at $11.12. So it's trading well in the system. That's always good. Trading really, really well. Two great trades here. All right. Here kind of broke even right there. And here we've got another buy signal right here, guys. Buy signal right here, right at that resistance here. So this is a good trade. You do have really good resistance. Okay. So if you break out, we could get another trade here going. Okay. So we'll add that. And it's relatively inexpensive, $12. Okay, so YPF in Bullmaster, your protection. If you the system will probably get out right here, right about here. Okay, around 10 something, 950. Your protection would be about here, right underneath here. Don't count this. That's the low. Your support will be about right here. Okay. All right, guys. That's all I've got. Okay. We'll see what happens this week. All right. Market's been holding. So we'll see what happens this week. Let's see here. The Dow. Hold on. Let's move this back. Otherwise, I'll forget to move it back. Hold on. Let's just move it back here. All right. So the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq on the daily time frame, right? On the daily time frame, we have buy signal. So remember that buy signal on the S&P on the daily, buy signal on the Russell on the daily, buy signal on the Nasdaq. Okay, and we just need a buy signal on the Dow, but the other indexes are doing well. Okay, thanks guys. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, all right, take care. Bye bye.